Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, let me show you how to use Spotlight to do math and conversions on your iPhone. First of all, let's open Spotlight. And now you're going to simply type equations directly into this search bar. So let's type 25 plus 75, and you'll get instant results right here. As well, you can use parentheses for more complex orders of operations. Let's say something like this. I don't know, multiplied by 2, for example. And as well, you will see results. By the way, this Spotlight could even handle functions like sinus or cosinus, etc. So like this, and as well for conversions, you can simply type, I don't know, $50. So you should use the sign of the dollar. Dollars to euro, and you will see results as well right here. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.